What I want to know, Minister, exactly tell the nation, what is it that our soldiers are protecting there? What is it that our soldiers are protecting? Because now you tell us about the peacekeeping mission and you find soldiers engaging with the enemy. Really, it doesn't give any sense. It doesn't give any sense. When we are peacekeeping, what are real things that you are supposed to do in keeping peace? Are you waiting for war to start and try to engage the enemy as the soldiers? Here we're talking about soldiers of this country who are dying, protecting things. Tell us, tell the nation, tell the world, what is it that it's protected from that DRC at the expense of the poor masses of this country, whereby are being sacrificed to criminals? No one is protecting South Africans. And you always claim that you don't have the budget. You cry about the budget cutting, but you do have money. You do have resources to go and protect and defend other countries instead of peacekeeping. This is not a peacekeeping. Can we think about the lives of these people?
You can wrap
Really, it's okay. Thank you, Chair. That's my take.
Thank
And
you.
it's worrisome.
Thank you.
Thanks, Chairperson. Chairperson, maybe let me start with a controversial question and then work my way up, and the Minister and General and Major General will decide what to answer. There are allegations that family members of President Ramaphosa have significant interests in mining in the eastern DRC. Can this be confirmed? And how is this impacting government's decision to deploy troops to the DRC?